Sabay-sabay nanumpa ang mga miyembro ng kapulisan kasama ang iba't ibang ahensya ng gobyerno sa ginanap na Solidarity Pact signing para sa 2025 midterm elections. Pinangunahan ng COMELEC Manila at ng National Capital Region Police Office ang pagpirma sa Solidarity Pledge bilang simbolo ng kanilang pangako at suporta sa maayos at payapang eleksyon. Kabilang sa mga lumagda sa kasunduan, ang Department of the Interior and Local Government, Philippine Coast Guard, Department of Education, Bureau of Fire Protection, Bureau of Jail Management and Phenology, Armed Forces of the Philippines, Manila Traffic and Parking Bureau at PPCRV. Binigyan diin ng COMELEC ang kahalagahan ng pagkakaisa ng bawat ahensya para sa nalalapit na eleksyon.
Itong Solidarity Pact, parang symbolic lang siya, no? Pero continuous naman yung coordination meeting. Start pa lang ng election period, may coordination meeting tayo. In fact, yung last pangalawa na natin, hindi ako nagkakamali. Kasi nga lahat ng concerns from DepEd, PNP, lahat kasama yan sa kino-coordinate natin. So, continuing naman, every election.
Ayon naman sa pulisya, ang kanilang suporta sa COMELEC ay upang tiyakin ang isang mapayapa at maayos na halalan kung saan malayang makakapili ang mga botante ng kanilang nais na lider.
In democracy, elections serve as the cornerstone of our people's power. They are the vital expression of our collective will and a reflection of the strength of our institutions. However, the sanctity of the electoral process must be safeguarded, and to achieve this, we must join forces. The active participation of each government agency and sector involved plays a crucial role in securing the integrity of our elections. As we look ahead to this pivotal elections in 2025, we are faced with the responsibility of ensuring that every citizen is given the opportunity to exercise their right to vote in a safe, orderly, and transparent manner.
Pagtitiyak pa ng pulisya sa publiko na magiging patas at walang kinikilingan ng kapulisan sa darating na halalan. In the heart of changing lives, ito si Brigada Jigo Custodio ng 105.1 Brigada News of Manila, the Music News Authority.